photo walk in Loveland.
Tell me and I'll yell back at them. Just kidding, I'll be really nice. But just be nice, don't instigate, don't be crazy.
I found that sucker for $8 at the
Whoa,
Goodwill.
Heck yeah, that looks $8.
I didn't know I had film in it.
You're good.
Sorry. Slow down, guys. Take some pictures. Gross looking water.
This guy? Oh yeah. I was like, I don't even know what it is.
You here for a minute? All the photo walkers. Yo, even Maddie's here.
I know.
What's up?
I'm already sweating.
Is this your first walk fully in charge?
Yeah. Nobody else is here.
Well, I'm here.
What I'm saying.
And nobody even knows that we're in charge.
Yeah, they know I'm in charge. I don't know if they know you're in charge. I can announce that.
Maybe a rabid dog.
What does this guy think he's doing?
I've walked in.
He's so thirsty.
Slightly better.
Yeah.
My guy, like and subscribe, man.
Oh, I can't get focused.
Not my guy. Oh no,
Oh.
not my guy.
Nope.
Fabric moved just right then.
So loud. Crazy.
My power left.
Whoa, he landed on me.
Do you want me to get it?
What's up, bud? Oh, he left. Someone tried to land on my head. I don't know if you can see them all in the trees.
Come on.
3, 2, 1. All right, thanks, Jed.
Should we stay still? Oh,
Oh yeah, you do. Yeah, there's a skate on the brim of your hat, Bree.
brim. No, let me get it. Let me get it.
And now one on your hair.
I need the shade.
Oh, the ground is because of
All the dead bodies. Things really bad here.
Bad for your audio editing.
I know. I'm not gonna be able to hear anything. Windy.
It fucking died. Yeah, that's what I'm looking.
Cat tree and no cat. Oh, I just started recording. Whoops. You gonna say it again, or
They just like me for real.
the cicadas?
Yeah. Blind.
They're not blind. They just hunt mouths.
They're basically blind.
What you got? What you got?
Oh. Phoenix. ISO 200. C4. V1. Color film.
Get it in there, girl. Put it down there in the hole and close it.
Down here?
Yep.
Or on this side?
Just in the, yeah. Ugh.
Over here?
Yep, just close it. What? Oh, lay him down. There you go. Close him. Boom.
He's so tiny and perfect.
Oh, Bree, you got a cicada on your shoulder. Bree would never do that. Just grab a cat off of somebody else's porch
Oh, there's a friend in there.
and steal it.
Oh, you have a friend in there. Super into it. Very upset. Well, not very.
Beautiful eye.
Exaggeration. He's a good baby.
iPhone picture of this. Come on. I don't know. Time for some ice cream. Take notice, Jay. This one's actually open.
All right, guys. Look like you're having fun in the sun, guys. 2, 1.
Yay!
All right.
They can't do anything wrong here, yeah. And they used to be cash only. Cup into tone? That makes sense. I mean, they were infused.
It was like saying, like, you will overdose and die. Arturo.
Not right now. But we're talking about marriage. Being a sadistic, like third grade boy, and me and my friends, we would go to the cicada-covered trees in my set.
Down and play Eurotruck. Play what? Eurotruck Simulator, guys. Isn't that your back?
Chris is obsessed with it.
What? That was me.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Even if it's like free, how do you get off that?
You think that's human friendly as well? Yeah. I'm jumping in that bucket.
Excuse me, sir.
You know what's funny?
It's a short bridge.
To drive a U-Haul rental through here and like
I'm getting like sun flared.
they told me there was a goblin.
Whoa! Almost dropped the Leica. Yeah. Oh, you, what the frick, man?
5 minutes.
You can like. You feel it coming?
Roasting a lot.
You got a lighter? Right, yeah.
You're just eating berries you found on the ground?
Berries I found on a tree.
How was the walk?
It's kind of sweaty, but it's good. Very, like, cicada-y.
I need more mulberries, man.